Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about how to edit screenshots using AI tools. You can change text, color, image, icon, and many more using this tool. These tips will make you a smart person. Watch video till the end. Remember to like and subscribe for more. At first, open this website, link in description, and sign up using your Gmail account. Put your ID or password and click on the next button. You can do the same as in the video. After that, click on the new blank project and choose mobile. You need to upload your screenshot, which you want to edit. You can upload from your laptop device, or scan using a smartphone and upload a screenshot. I am going to scan from my mobile phone. Okay, uploaded process is complete. Now you can edit anything on your screenshot. You can change text, icon, color, photos, and many more. Let's edit this image. After completing your editing process, you can download this photo. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.